Hi, good morning. Good morning, dear friends. Today we are going to discuss about very important sentences. Now we are going to understand the use of as if. As if को हिंदी में मानो की बोलते हैं. मानो की से हम कोई वाक्य बोलते हैं और वहाँ पे as if का प्रयोग होता है. इन वाक्यों की खास बात है, नॉर्मल हमारे जो वाक्य होते हैं उनसे थोड़ी सी खास बात ये है कि एज इफ का प्रयोग जहाँ पे भी होगा वहाँ पे हर सब्जेक्ट के साथ में वर्ग का प्रयोग होगा. और वर्ग का प्रयोग जब करते हैं हम कोई कल्पना की जाती है किसी चीज को मान लिया जाता है. देखिए एक एग्जाम्पल हमने यहाँ दिया. ये बार हम क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन करने का जो तरीका है वो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट का सिंपल है. जैसे कि क्या वह सचिन की तरह खेलता है? Does he play like सचिन? आपने बोला हाँ वह ऐसे खेल रहा है मानो के सचिन हो.
Yes, he plays as if he were Sachin.
Yes, he plays as if he was Sachin. प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट का जो नियम है वो फॉलो किया हमने, इसलिए प्ले में प्लेस कर रखा है, फिर एज इफ कर रखा है, यहाँ पे ही के बाद में वर आ रखा है और सचिन. मानो कि वह सचिन हो. वह सचिन नहीं है लेकिन हमने क्या मान लिया उसको? सचिन. जहाँ पे एक आदमी को कोई दूसरा आदमी मान ली जाए, दूसरी वस्तु मान ली जाए, दूसरे के स्थान पे रख दिया जाए तो वहाँ हम एज इफ के साथ में या किसी साथ में वर्ग का प्रयोग करते हैं. कल्पना वाले सेंटेंसेस में भी अपने वर्ग का प्रयोग पहले पढ़ चुके हैं, जैसे हम पहले समझाया था. और जैसे कि और हम इसके एग्जांपल लेंगे, जैसे वह दौड़ता था ऐसे जैसे कि हुसैन बोल्ट हो.
He runs as if he were Usain Bolt.
वह खेलता था ऐसे मानो कि विराट कोहली हो.
He plays as if he were Virat Kohli.
वह चिल्लाता था ऐसे मानो कि बच्चा हो.
He cries as if he were child.
वह देखता था ऐसे मानो कि उल्लू हो.
He looks as if he were owl.
वह घूरता था ऐसे मानो कि पागल हो. स्टेयर्स
He stares as if he were mad.
में. वह खाता था ऐसे जैसे कि ढोर हो.
He eats as if he were animal.
हैं?
He
वह नाचता था ऐसे मानो कि माइकल जैक्सन हो.
dances as if he were Michael Jackson.
वह बोलता था ऐसे मानो कि अमिताभ बच्चन हो.
He speaks as if he were Amitabh Bachchan.
वह चलता था ऐसे मानो कि नेता हो.
He walks as if he were leader.
He walks as a fever leader. वह लिखता था ऐसे जैसे कि टाइप मशीन हो.
He writes as if he were type machine.
है. और हम इसके बहुत सारे वाक्य बना सकते हैं जिनको, जैसे कि वह गाती तो ऐसे जैसे कि लता मंगेशकर हो. है. वह गाती तो ऐसे मानो कि सुनिधि चौहान हो. वह दौड़ता तो ऐसे जैसे मिल्खा सिंह हो. है. वह सोता तो ऐसे जैसे कि संजय हो. है नी. वह बोलता तो ऐसे जैसे कि मासूम हो. ऐसे वाक्य आप बोल सकते हैं. We can make so many sentences, guys. We have already made so many sentences based on our daily conversation. So you can visit our YouTube channel Art of English, where you will find the various sentences that will help you to speak anywhere. We have used very easy formula in each and every sentence. So these sentences are going to help you to speak English when you will start speaking English. So when you go to our YouTube channel, you will find very simple sentences, right? So इनके और वाक्य हम बोलेंगे. कोते भाई
He speaks as if he were Prime Minister.
हाँ.
He writes as if he were Jaishankar Prasad.
He writes as if he were Jaishankar Prasad. हाँ.
He drives as if he were rider.
हाँ.
He jumps as if he were player.
Player. He jumps as if he was player.
He repairs as if he were mechanic.
He repairs
As
as if he were mechanic.
he writes as if he were teacher.
He writes as if he were teacher,
He
right?
speaks as if he were doctor.
Hmm.
He runs as if he were Hussein Bolt.
Hmm.
He sells as if he were salesman.
Salesman. Hmm.
He drives as if he were bike racer.
He drives as if he were driver. Youngsters. Hmm.
He teaches as if he were a principal.
He teaches as if he were principal.
He
Right.
sits as if he were a chief minister.
He sits as if he were chief minister.
He listens as if he were a eagle.
Very good. Nice, very interesting. मैडम हाँ जल्दी आओ अब बोलो कुछ सेंटेंस जो आपके मन बारे में बोलो इनसे अलग या इनके जैसे बोलो
Does he play like Virat Kohli? Yes, he plays. Yes, he was Virat Kohli. He plays as if he were Virat Kohli.
ऐसी कुछ सेंटेंस बोलो चलो कोई नहीं जैसे कि आप बोलो जैसे कि he plays as if he were Virat Kohli he runs as if he were Hussein Bolt he writes as if he were a typewriter है आप इनके कम से कम 15 से 20 सेंटेंस बनाना उनको बोलने का अभ्यास करना फिर कल हम आपसे बुलवाएंगे ठीक है थैंक यू so guys I request you, I suggest you to make at least 30 to 40 sentences. Believe me, once you will repeat all these sentences, you will feel very easy when you will start to speak all these sentences anywhere in the future. So I've been making you understand for a quite long period that practice makes a man perfect. The more you repeat, the more you will speak very clearly. So it is all about practice. Practice makes a man perfect. भाषाएं बोलने से ही आएगी जितना बोलेंगे उतना ही आप सीखेंगे उतना ही आप कहीं भी बोल सकते हो आसानी से. So guys, we have made so many sentences regarding our daily conversation, daily use. So please visit my YouTube channel where you will find all kind of sentences. We have also used, we have made so many sentences on our daily conversation, on the base of daily conversation. So please visit our YouTube channel. Guys, I request you to visit our YouTube channel where you will find so many sentences on the base of a daily conversation. When you will go through our channel, you will find very interesting videos. When you will start to speak all these sentences will help you to understand, to speak, and you will find very easy all these sentences. We have used a very simple method. So we have not used here any kind of typical structure. These sentences are really very easy, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like and comment and share my video so that we can make so many interesting videos. Just give me your valuable comments and I'll try to improve the quality of the videos. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.